Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to pin a window on top in Windows 11. If you've ever wanted to keep an important window visible while working on other tasks, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Step 1. First, you'll need to download PowerToys, a free utility from Microsoft that adds advanced features to Windows. You can open Microsoft Store on your PC and download it from there. Once downloaded, install PowerToys and open it from the Start menu. Step 2. After opening PowerToys, navigate to the Always on Top section from the left sidebar. This feature allows you to pin any window to the top of your screen, ensuring it stays visible even when you switch to other applications. Step 3. To pin a window, simply select the window you want to keep on top and press the Windows key Ctrl-T simultaneously. You'll notice a border around the window and indicating that it's now pinned. To unpin it, press the same shortcut again. Step 4. If you find the bold border around the pinned window distracting, you can disable it. Go back to PowerToys, click on Settings, then toggle off the Show a Border Around the Pinned Window option, and the border will no longer appear. You can also change the hotkeys from here. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pin a window on top in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips.